Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I will share with you guys what I eat in a day, or not particularly what I eat in a day, just what I ate on that particular day, and also what I drank on that particular day. I hope you guys enjoy. This portion of the video, I am preparing breakfast. And sometimes for breakfast, guys, I will weigh my food because I like to keep a food journal of everything that I'm eating. And I like to weigh certain foods to get just the number of protein that I might be eating for that particular day. So I will weigh my food and add it up because I want to stay under a certain amount of ounces. Also, I like to write down what I eat as far as my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, and also keep up with my water intake. Okay, my chat partner, so now I am preparing my water for the day. And as you guys can see, I will be adding garlic to my water. Garlic is very, very good. Some days I add garlic to my water. And if some days I will boil garlic and I will Google and look up the benefits of garlic water. Also, on other days, I'll add ginger to my water, a lemon, and sometimes I add Crystal Light. And then on some days, I just drink my water plain by itself. It just depends the mood I'm in. And also, it just depends on what I got going on. Like if I got the sniffles or if I'm just feeling not all that great, I'll just drink like garlic water. And that really, really helps me get back aligned the way I want to feel. I hope everyone is enjoying the video so far. And if you are enjoying this video, please comment and like. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a chat partner. Okay, everyone, so now it's dinner time, and I am making a Mexican salad. I am making a vegetarian Mexican salad and a non-vegetarian Mexican salad.
She wasn't feeling it. Like soon we put it on her, girl, we was sweating and everything. Had to like take it off of her because she was not feeling it at all.
Okay, everyone, we have come to the end of the video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you who stopped by my channel and watched. Thank you guys so much. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.